Dyson Cyclone V10 Animal. This thing is a beast. This is the cordless vacuum cleaner, good for up to 60-minute battery life. You have the minimum mode, the medium mode, and the maximum. Look at the power level. Look at that suction right there. That's the maximum level. Here's the low, and here's the medium power right there. This thing is lightweight, it's cordless, but it has a lot of suction power, more than typical corded vacuum cleaner. You have the one right here. It attaches, it transfers the power down to the bottom swivel head unit. And this thing right here, it swivels nicely. If you see right there, it also has a light, and it has a great brush right here, motorized to pick up all your dirt. The Dyson Cyclone V10 Animal right there.